Warren Services uses state-of-the-art and regularly maintained welding equipment to produce the most effective welds for your application, whether TIG, MIG or arc, and for most materials including mild steel, stainless steel and aluminium. Most of the company's welders are coded to ASME 9, BS 4872, EN 287 and EN 288 and operate to exacting safety and operational standards as verified in-house and accredited by test organisations such as Lloyd's and TWI. Warren Services prides itself on being able to produce cost-effective welding services from the smallest fabrications to sizable and complex fabricated assemblies.